YouTube, what is going on, you guys? All right, here we are again with another video on the Mustang this time. Yeah, it's been quite a while since I've done a video on the Mustang, but I got something pretty cool I want to show you that I'm gonna do. Got the car up on all fours now, popped the hood. Anyway, what are we doing today? Here we go. Underglow lights, man. So this is going to be pretty cool. Got these guys off of Amazon, rather cheap or inexpensive, I should say, but they seem to be pretty cool. So I am going to get this guy all prepped up, and I'll be showing you along the way, you know, how I'm connecting this and everything, so that way, in case you guys want to do this, by all means, man. As always, I always put all my stuff in the description below. So with that, stay tuned and we'll get this going. All right, YouTube, so we got it all connected, man. Wow, it took quite a while, you guys. It is a job, man. So as you can see here, I got the positive coming into the fuse box. I connected it to a 20 amp fuse. You can see I got the little ground right here. Got the ground on a ground terminal. I have the wires routed down. You can see that, I'm not sure if you can see here, but there it is. So you see that wire right there? So that's the guy routing down and around, and it comes around. It's underneath the wall here, but I have one wire coming up around the wall, all the way up around here and going out the back, and then across the back tire and around into the rear bumper, right? And so the front one, I have it underneath, and this guy way up underneath, it's all plastic, man. There's like a plastic cover underneath, so I screwed it down on that underneath there. And then the other wire comes the same thing around this wall here, and then across this guy right up to around there. So I'm not sure. I already took it down from the stands, as you can see, but I got it around the plastic underneath this guy here, all the way up underneath. So it should light up pretty good. I got it all done. So next, stay tuned. I'm going to close it down, turn it on for you. We'll see if we can see anything. Right now it's daytime, so it's probably not going to be very strong, but at night I'll turn it on again just so you can take a look. All right, you guys, so here is the moment of truth for this guy. So I'm going to turn the car on, and then it comes with a little remote control here. As you can see, you can do all kinds of stuff, right? Power, you can turn it on, off. You got all kinds of different colors and different modes that you can do. You can download the app for it as well. And then with the app, you can pretty much do all the same stuff. So with that, let's start the car here. And so now the car is on. And so we'll hit the power button. And there it is. You can barely see the light because it's daytime, obviously. But let's see here, we'll go with red, and you see the red color change. We'll go with green. You see the green color, and so forth, right? Blue, you can see the blue, orange, bam. So it works good. It has the light brightness also, right? So you can turn it down if you want it nice and dim, or you can crank it up and make it really bright, as you can see. Again, with it being daytime, it's not that bright right now, obviously, right? But yeah, you can see, man, it works really, really good. We'll turn it off. Boom, it turns off. I was not able to use the little fuse tapper because the 20 amp is a different style from this guy, so I'll have to get the correct one. For now, I just wrapped it around the 20 amp fuse there, and I'll make sure to get the correct fuse tap so I can do it, you know, professionally, get a nice connection there. But for now, you can see that it works. So with that, Stay tuned, and at nighttime I'll do the same thing so you can take a look, you guys. All right, you guys, so here we are. It's evening time, not fully dark yet, as you can see, but I noticed, like when I did a video for the LED strip on the Explorer late at night when it was really dark, it's just too bright on the camera here. So let me do this. I'm gonna start the car here, and we should be able to see the light, you know, under the carport. It's pretty dark under there. So let's see what it looks like. Boom, there you go. So we got the nice glow here in the front, you can see. Pretty cool glow here around the front, on the sides you can see. And let's go to the back. You can see the light down there on the bottom, right? So yeah, looking really cool, you guys. So now what I'll do here with the controller here is I will kind of, you know, switch to different colors. For example, we got the green here, back to the red. There's red, blue, yellow, and so forth, right? And you can do different modes here. So you see, got the rainbow effect. You can do different modes here. Boom, there you go. That's pretty cool. And you can do the speed. See that? There you go. There you go. All right, you guys, so there you saw it, man. With that, we'll wrap it up. Again, I'll leave all the stuff in the description below in case you're interested. With that, hope you liked this video, and stay tuned for some more cool stuff coming up, you guys. All right, man, everyone stay safe out there. Peace.